So we have a 2021 Ford Transit Custom. Now with this, we've done a StarLine S9 Customized Series. Now, one thing you'll notice, obviously you have your StarLine tags. As long as the tag is present, when you lock and unlock from your key, it will follow and it will disarm the system as well as unlocking the vehicle for you. Now with this capability, we have your standard immobilization with alarm. If I was to trigger that alarm by locking the vehicle, as you will see in a second. So if we arm the system, if our thief was to manage to get inside and he was to try and turn the vehicle on, it will alarm the alarm system. You'll be getting a phone call from the system. As well as on the app, you will have trigger for door opening. So if we can shut the system down by pressing our tag system there, obviously it will show you the status of the vehicle. If I close the doors, you'll see that the doors will be closed. We have the same protection on the rear doors of the vehicle as well. So if I open the rear doors, it will show you that there will be a passenger door open and active on here as well. Obviously it does take a couple of seconds for this app to update on here. So on this particular van, we have rear door protection, we have side door protection, as well as front doors and bonnet. Now, you have some optional extras such as horn honking, which means as well as the siren that we've installed on this alarm system, the factory car horn will also be blaring from the car as well. Now with this, on the app itself, you have some features such as one-time disarming. We have remote shutdown and anti-hijack available through the gun symbol, as you can see. We have service mode, tracking, and multiple on the top for notifications on the vehicle and a status. So with this available, obviously with the door protection and everything, is a very highly secured system. You have the option for additional tags, also hardwiring of doors on certain Toyota and Lexus vehicles as well. But on this specific vehicle, we don't need that. And that is how the StarLine S9 Custom Series works on a Transit 2021.